begin our first video, I just want to shout out SOTM66 for helping me with Treasure Hunt Simulator. And yeah, thank you. Guys, today we are gonna play another episode of Floodscape. So, I've actually made a lot of episodes of Floodscape. Yeah. So, my cousin just went and set her around. So, yeah. Right now, we just have to wait. And not look at this Jake the Sneak. Wait, what?
Oh.
Jake the Sneak. Seek. Okay. My cousin went to my cousin went to medium. Or should I do easy? Should I do easy or should I wait?
Oh, damn it.
You die?
Yep.
So get out and go to easy.
Okay. I'm trying to do the trick you.
Okay, sorry, too late.
Huh?
Too late.
Oh, whatever.
Okay,
How many players does it have?
Go to medium! Go! You have dash?
Yep.
Okay, wait. Let me check in every, I remember this is it. It is literally so, oh my god, this guy doesn't even know. Okay, this guy does. Yes. Okay. I might just buy a particle. Ooh, rainbow.
50
I don't care.
points.
What?
Red fire, 30 points.
Oh, 5 points. I've wasted all my points. No. Low. Okay. It just.
I have like 28 points.
Sure. I have 28 wins, not 28 points. Low.
Yeah.
I think this guy may do it, but at the same time, I think he's not because look at that water rise. Look. Hi.
Just JK, I have 1 point.
Dun.
Because I was winning a lot.
He literally died and he had it. Oh my god, he literally died and he had it. I am sorry for you, my man. This game is full. You can go too hard if you want. But if you don't want, then stay off. Woohoo! Yeah. What? Wait, what? Okay, there you go.
Oh, this map.
Yep. I don't know what talking about, but I think. Okay, I hate myself. Have I done it?
About this map.
Look at this. Am I still alive? Wait, what? How did I die?
What?
How do I die?
You died?
Yeah.
How?
I don't know. This whole thing is so laggy. It's Davidus. Come on, people. Come on. Or whatever he's saying.
You died?
Yep, I'm gonna go to easy. I'm not gonna spectate. I'm gonna do easy, my man. If I die, I don't care. Well, I have officially died on the freaking first round. Lol.
You just died. You go to medium.
Huh?
Go to medium. It just ended.
Is it just ended? Okay, I'm dying. I'm about to die. Yeah, please. When am I ever gonna die? Still not dying? Oh, there you go. Is it ready for 100%? Or is it way too... Oh, no, I missed it.
You gotta wait for one.
Bro, you said it was ready.
Well, you gotta wait for one player.
Yeah, this one player doesn't even know what he... Okay, she was doing with the ranking. She thought she could do that trick right there. Yeah, no.
Oh, jeez.
Better than dying. No.
There.
Kitty pants or whatever it's called. Oh no. She
I heard he just did that in first try.
Game has ended. I have my trophy here.
I have a dash. Wait.
Kitty Panda. Kitty Panda has 21 wins.
He wins to get the granny photo.
Why? Yo,
9 wins. I have 9 wins.
bro, didn't you say you had 10? No. No. What? Why is everything so laggy? Oh, there you go. Go like this. Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my lord!
I almost died. I was literally right in the floor.
I saw you. Wait.
Oh, no one died.
Yep. I'm very good at first person. The only problem is that freaking too much people are right here.
This right here.
It's not even closing.
I would do first person right here.
Bro! Oh, this one, okay.
William, are you still there?
It is so laggy. That's why I am actually not doing nothing. Low.
No, I died.
Okay, I'm dying. Oh! It was so laggy. Okay. It was so laggy. But can we do it? Okay. I just died. No! I hope that good guy. Okay. I think me and Kitty Cat, yes.
2 players.
Yes. It's me and Kitty Cat.
Kitty cat, kitty cat.
I don't get what you're saying. Yes, yes, and yes! Yes!
Wow.
Let's do this. There you
Wow.
go.
You wasted your dash.
We have officially died. Yes.
You just wasted your dash. Okay, now.
Go, go, go! Caesar!
Wait, I'm not in there?
You're not in! That's what I'm telling you! Dude, where are you?
I'm using my dash, but it's not working.
One.
No.
Live. Okay, we already in. Yo! What just happened here?
My dash didn't work.
Yo, he rage quit.
Wait.
Wait, what? Oh, it takes so long to do that. No.
I don't know why my rage quit.
You're raging. No. I'm gonna get this button. I got that button. What? Oh, yeah. I don't know why I'm doing that. I hope I don't actually do like last time in Flood Escape. I literally just wanted to play a bit and then I freaking just missed that. No, extended beta again. Oh yeah. Okay, it isn't so laggy after all, is it? It is pretty laggy. Don't even tell me no one has. No, I have them now. Yo. No, wait, what? No. Oh no. Okay.
Person?
Huh?
One person?
Yeah, because of one person, that person was trying. This guy, look at this guy with particles. I'm gonna go too hard. Go too hard. Are you in hard? Go! 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Ow! I'm right here.
Okay, it's full, is it? It isn't. Thank God.
Hey, what?
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do this trick over here. What? I'm gonna do the trick over here. It isn't so risky, yeah. It isn't so risky. Last time you said it was very risky. But the second one, it is extremely. Yeah. A rage. He's raiding so hard. No! What?
How?
Bro, everyone died already.
Oh my god, medium!
Medium?
Yeah!
Go, go, go! Go over here.
Now it just...
Go too hard! It's about to start! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and low. Let's go. I don't know why I'm saying this so much.
Reaching is so laggy.
For me too. Oh, no, it isn't
Oh,
done.
this is the easy part. The
See?
exit lift is still staying in my pantalla.
Yeah, me too. Why is everyone so laggy this game? I can't. I even touched the. Wait, didn't I touch the button already? Oh, there you go. I still have my. Huh?
No, my Wi-Fi is so bad.
My Wi-Fi.
Oh my god, they're about to die. I'm about to die.
You are dead already. You're just literally standing right there. I still survived. Damn! Dude! Chill! Look at this. Look at this smile face. I know. Okay. Low. 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 Oh my god, he's really raining. Okay.
Dude, I'm not ready. Something good.
Okay. Seem very sus. You are very sus. You are extremely sus. You are sus. No! What? What? What just happened? What in the world just happened here? Okay. No, I did it. Okay.
I do know what is happening here.
Okay. I'm gonna go by myself now. Okay, I'm gonna end this. I don't care what maps it's gonna be first. Excuse me. Excuse me. What is this? Okay, I'm going.
Oh my god, this is...
What? Okay, power tower, whatever it's called. Going in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Daddy, I hate the map. I hate the map.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah. No, I tried to do that. Elevator machine broke too. No, it's not in part 2. Is it? Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Bruh, the water's barely rising. I'm already in the end. No, I can't do it. What in the world just happened here? Why do I always lose? I just wanna win. I am lost in a death. I don't know what. What is Okay, whatever, just skip this. Well guys, this will be the end of my video, and if you want to watch more videos laggy like this, please
Rage
like and
quit.
stop. Okay.